سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه بالتحدي لا سواه حرر النفس ولا تحيا هباء يا ربيعا أنت والعطر رداء.
I am number Kanti. He is my number stand. It has number on it. I will put pins for each number to show the corresponding number. For number 1, for number 2, I put 2 pins. For number 3, I put 3 pins. For number 4, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am going to tell about numbers. Spell them. Number 1. O-N-E-1. Number 2. T-W-O-2. Number 3. T-H-R-E-3. Number 4. F-O-U-R-4. Number 5. F-I-V-E-5. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Munira Fatima. I am studying SKG. I am triangle. I have 3 sides. It corners 2. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am a cube. Hello everyone. I am a cube. 6 sides all the same. 8 corners. I am a dice. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am cone. I have 3 sides. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ismail. I am studying SKG. I am sphere. I am round all over. I have no corners. I have no sides. I look like a ball. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahim Asraf. I go to orange baby button. Red, blue, red, blue. That's the A button. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn about my ABC pattern. Today, look, parrot, dove, dove, swan. Then again, parrot, dove, dove, swan. A means parrot, B means dove, C means swan. Dove, swan. ABC pattern. A means parrot. B. ABC pattern. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sarah. I'm studying SKG. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a story. Funny monkey. How he moves to different positions. The monkey climbs on the tree. Jumps down from the tree. He hides under the tree. Now he runs and stands behind the tree. After that, he comes near the tree. Sometimes he stays near the tree. The monkey leaves for the tree. Move everyone. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I'm square. I'm four size. I'm square. I look like a dice. Thank you. Alaikum. I am carrot. Today going to smallest. Carrot. Small. This is a jelly. It is smaller. It is called liquid. It is smallest of all. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Alhamdulillah hider. This is an apple. Apple is big. This is an banana. Banana is bigger. This is an watermelon. Watermelon is just above. Bigger. Assalamu alaikum. I am Adelaide Hyder. This is an apple. Apple is big. This is an banana. Banana is big. This is bigger. This is an watermelon. Watermelon is biggest of all. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, let's have some favorite numbers today. I will count up from 1 to 10. One. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I will start backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I am Salkai. I am one downside. I am one corner. I have no corners. I look like a full moon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am a rectangle. Four sides. Four corners. Opposite sides are equal. I look like a door. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ya Muhammad Atif. SKG and about related things. Bat related to ball. Ball. Bowl related to spoon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn about some beautiful color. Red color. Red color. Like an apple. Blue. Like the sky. Green. Like a leaf. Yellow. Like the sun. Purple. Like a brinjal. Thank you. I am an oval. I have one long round side. I have no corners. I look like an egg. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Usman. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn about my ABC pattern. Today, look, I arrange cake, donut, popcorn. That's an ABC pattern. Thank you.